how I have made over $25,000 on ClickBank in 2 weeks with Google pay-per-click ads. Now, as you watch this video, right, I'm going to show you in 5 minutes exactly behind the curtain, behind the scenes as a super affiliate, what I do differently to get this kind of results in 2026. Now, as you can see over here, right, this is all done with info digital products. Now, as you can see here, daily sales, right, the most important thing when it comes to ClickBank affiliate marketing is knowing exactly what kind of offers to promote, which traffic source to use, and where to go, basically what kind of message or the market match you have to use. Let me show you behind the scenes. As you can see over here, right, remember this, most of your ad budget has been going to the people who don't even know they have a problem yet. What I'm talking about is this. Let me show you. You see, you have audience, you have eyeballs, you have human beings. So those human beings have 5 stages of awareness, right? They are cold traffic, we call it cold, and hot or warm audience. So the most important thing is you have unaware and most aware audiences. So those are the people who don't even know they have a problem yet. Now imagine if you are spending 100 euros or dollars per day on Google ads or Facebook ads, and you are targeting unaware audiences with buyer's intent message, meaning you are trying to sell someone iPhone who doesn't even know what iPhone is all about, right? It's a mismatch. So you have a mismatch, and that's why you're losing money on ads, and you're thinking, heck, affiliate marketing doesn't work, ClickBank doesn't work. No, it does work. If this wouldn't work, then I wouldn't be making these videos. I wouldn't be traveling all over the world, thanks to being affiliate. So that's the most important thing, having the right message of the market match and buyers traffic, buyers clicks and intent. Very important thing, right? As you can see over here, every level have a different intent state, and every ad group has a single mental frame, and that's the most important thing. Now, once you have someone who can show you one-on-one, step-by-step, how to put this into action, you will finally naturally be able to get results. And the reason why you haven't been able to have results is because you don't know what you don't know, right? As you can see over here, let me show you, right? You didn't fail, it's not your fault, you were just fishing in the wrong pond, all right? So you have blue ocean traffic, meaning buyers traffic with buyers intent out there, but you're focusing on the wrong audiences. You see, curiosity clickers without buyers intent, meaning window shoppers, people who are just curious enough to see what's on the website, on the landing page, but they never go and actually buy. As you can see over here with Google pay-per-click ads, I spent $500 and you see the results. Why? Because I promote offers with buyers intent and great upsell take rate. Okay, once you have the right upsells, you can make over $500 per person per day on different ClickBank offers, right? So again, there's different kind of traffic online. There's people who are already searching for what you're offering, for the solution you're selling right now today, because they already know they need it. They have a problem, they have pain, they need a solution, right? And there are people who are curiosity clickers, meaning the one who are just curious to see what's on the other page and never buy. Now, the beauty of this system is that it allows you to do this without showing your face on camera, without spending weeks or months learning new skills, and without needing any kind of skills in tech or IT, right? Why? Because this all can be done for you and done together with you. And that's the most important thing. As you can see over here, right? Some of our students and clients, they're getting daily results. Okay, she's from Spain and making over $35,000 euros in Spain with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Another student over here. Okay, age is not a limit, so it doesn't matter, right? Again, stay-at-home mom, single mom, no excuses, just taking action and steps every single day. All it takes is 20 to 30 minutes per day to do this, right? Now, my main dream was always traveling all around the world. That's why I traveled to over 70 countries. Yes, 70 all over the world, because I love affiliate marketing. I love traveling all over the world, as you can see over here. Now, as you watch this video, if you're serious, if you're an action taker, you can connect with me one-on-one. That's my email, WhatsApp number. Again, yes, my personal cell phone number, where you can connect with me one-on-one, as long as you're action taker, as long as you're not procrastinator or excuse maker, and you actually have some money to invest in yourself to start getting results that you truly deserve in 2026 going into 2027 with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Okay, it doesn't matter whether if you're a beginner, maybe you have failed in the past, it doesn't matter. What matters is willingness to get on and start having results.